Plant FAQs. Eucalyptus silver dollar. Eucalyptus silver dollar is a type of eucalyptus tree known for its distinctive round, silvery blue leaves that resemble coins, hence the name silver dollar. I first encountered this beautiful plant while hiking in the mountains, where it seemed to shimmer in the sunlight, adding a unique touch to the landscape. Eucalyptus gunnii versus silver dollar. Comparing Eucalyptus gunnii with silver dollar, I found the gunnii to be more resilient and better suited for my garden's varying conditions. Gumdrop eucalyptus versus silver dollar. The gumdrop eucalyptus has a more compact and ornamental form that I prefer over the silver dollar for creating a structured landscape design. Silver drop versus silver dollar eucalyptus. Between silver drop and silver dollar eucalyptus, the silver drop's finer, more delicate foliage adds a unique texture that stands out in my arrangements. When is silver dollar eucalyptus in season? Silver dollar eucalyptus is typically in season during the warmer months, from late spring to early fall. I often notice it flourishing in gardens and parks during this time, its leaves catching the light and creating a lovely silvery hue. How to grow silver dollar eucalyptus. Growing silver dollar eucalyptus can be quite rewarding, but requires some attention to detail. From my own attempts at cultivating it in my garden, I found that it prefers well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. Regular watering and occasional pruning help promote healthy growth and maintain its distinctive shape. Can you dry silver dollar eucalyptus? Yes, you can dry silver dollar eucalyptus. In fact, it's a popular choice for dried floral arrangements due to its attractive foliage and pleasant scent. I've dried some of my own leaves by hanging them upside down in a cool, dry place, and they've retained their color and aroma beautifully. Can you grow silver dollar eucalyptus indoors? While silver dollar eucalyptus can thrive outdoors in the right conditions, it's also possible to grow it indoors with proper care. I've seen some impressive specimens grown as houseplants, though they may require a bit more attention to watering and light levels. Can you propagate silver dollar eucalyptus? Propagating silver dollar eucalyptus is indeed possible, typically through seeds or stem cuttings. I've successfully propagated it from stem cuttings by placing them in water until roots develop, then transplanting them into soil. Does silver dollar eucalyptus smell? Silver dollar eucalyptus does have a distinct, refreshing scent, reminiscent of menthol or mint. I find the aroma quite invigorating, especially when I'm outdoors surrounded by these trees. How big does silver dollar eucalyptus grow? In terms of size, silver dollar eucalyptus can grow to be quite large if given the space and proper conditions. I've seen mature trees reach heights of 30 to 50 feet, with a spread of 20 to 30 feet. How fast does silver dollar eucalyptus grow? Silver dollar eucalyptus is known for its relatively fast growth rate, especially in optimal conditions. From my own observations, young trees can grow several feet in a single year, making it an excellent choice for quickly adding greenery to a landscape. How long do silver dollar eucalyptus last? The lifespan of silver dollar eucalyptus can vary depending on factors such as climate and care. In general, though, these trees can live for several decades or even longer with proper maintenance. How much is silver dollar eucalyptus? The cost of silver dollar eucalyptus can vary depending on factors such as size, quality, and availability. I've seen small plants available for purchase at nurseries for around $10 to $20, while larger specimens or specialty varieties may be more expensive. How to harvest silver dollar eucalyptus seeds. Harvesting silver dollar eucalyptus seeds can be done by collecting the small capsules that form after the flowers have bloomed and dried. I've gathered seeds by gently shaking the branches over a container to catch the falling capsules, then extracting the seeds for storage or propagation. Is silver dollar eucalyptus poisonous? While silver dollar eucalyptus is not generally considered poisonous, it's always a good idea to exercise caution, especially if you have pets or small children who may ingest plant material. As with any plant, it's best to research its toxicity and take appropriate precautions. Is silver dollar eucalyptus poisonous to cats? Is silver dollar eucalyptus poisonous to dogs? As for its toxicity to cats and dogs, silver dollar eucalyptus can cause mild gastrointestinal upset if ingested in large quantities. I've made sure to keep my own pets away from the plant just to be safe, although they haven't shown much interest in it anyway.